Ambassadors the Canada or Denmark or the Belgium ambassadors the last hafta Kanpur ka wal the Mamala site that is that options municipal tarihi asasara the civilization pati shewi din da bia to shok laro shmunga World Heritage Site but the better out should tarihi na mungo di pankudi mi nandal taragri.
Okay, hi, my name is Liz Rosenholm. I'm the Danish ambassador to Pakistan. It's so nice to be here. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful site. It's huge, very well conserved, and it's very much worth a visit. I would definitely recommend to come here and visit. It's so interesting. Nice to see lots of children here. There's a school class of boys visiting today. I also hope that there will be lots of school classes also with girls. It's important that children also come and see this and appreciate and value the history of Pakistan, which is so rich. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Wendy Gilmore. I'm the Canadian High Commissioner to Pakistan. I'm here at Taxbai to see a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is a fascinating place, a huge site up on top of a hill. I think it's definitely worth a visit. It's been taken care of quite well and restored in part, which is really heartening to see. It's so important that Pakistan preserves its heritage, not only for the rest of the world, but for Pakistan itself. So thank you very much.